Got a cold? Try some honey. If winter brings you a sore throat and coughing, a spoonful of honey can be quite soothing. And it might even reduce symptoms from an upper respiratory tract infection. Upper respiratory infections, such as colds, affect the nose, throat, voice box, and large airways that lead to the lungs. Symptoms include a stuffy nose, congestion, sore throat, and cough. Honey appeared to improve symptoms, especially cough frequency and severity, and in some cases shorten the duration of symptoms by a day or two. The findings were only observational and don't prove honey is a cure, but honey has antimicrobial properties, and scientists say that in adults, but not in kids age 1 or younger, it's a harmless way to address symptoms. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.